If you've been watching my previous videos, you know that for some time now I've been talking about AI, and how they are able to assist others. Yes, people are saying that AI, emotion AI, is likely to replace humans and in the business world, but others are equally saying that it's going to be problematic because they believe that how is AI going to differentiate between somebody who is annoyed and somebody who is casually saying something. But then this is a post from TechCrunch, and I want to read for you. According to PitchBook News Enterprise SaaS Emerging Tech Research Report, they are predicting that this tech is on the rise, emotion AI to be precise. They are reasoning that how will AI assistant be able to differentiate between what do you mean? I mean, when somebody says, what do you mean in an angry tone, how will AI assistant be able to detect that? And then somebody casually saying that, what do you mean? Would they be able to read the emotions behind it? So yeah, this is what they are saying. They are saying that from their research, they believe that this is going to be problematic because an AI assistant might not be able to differentiate between somebody who is annoyed and someone who is casually asking some questions. Do remember to stay and stick to this particular tech channel because I'll be bringing you more news in the world of tech. Also remember to like, comment, and subscribe.